Hey everybody, Jandareview, and today we're at A&L RV Sales right here in Jackson, Tennessee. Now today we're going to be looking at this one, a 2025 Keystone Cougar Sport, model number 2400 RE. Now the length on this Cougar Sport is 29 feet, 4 inches, the dry weight is 7,635, and that hitch weight is 1,335, with a GVWR of about 9,600 pounds.
So guys, if you're looking for a smaller fifth wheel that you can get into the national parks, this is going to be one that's going to work perfectly for that.
Jandareview is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Let's start right up here. Your spare is going to be in the front and your batteries are going to go up here.
Now we've done some Cougar Sports in the past, but we've never done this model.
We have not done this model, so we're excited to bring this one to you. One of your propane tanks will be right here. Your pass-through storage has some awesome lighting in here. It is prepped for an inverter. Automatic,
no, but this is your landing legs right here.
Yeah, you have landing legs right at the front.
And then I think that's going to be your back ones.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's going to have stabilizers.
Stabilizer, yeah. We'll show them.
So your hookups are going to go here. You do have a place for an outside shower, your satellite, cable TV, all that fun stuff. Your tank pools are going to be in here. Here is a
dump valve?
Yeah, a dump
thing?
Dump area.
Can you get through there?
Well, let's see. Wow, they like to park these really close. Let me see if I can squeeze through here. Well, it's a good thing I've lost 65 pounds, otherwise I would not make that. All right, here at the back, it is going to be prepped for the Lippert ladder. It is also prepped for a backup camera.
50 amp.
And it is a 50 amp camera.
We got confused on one of our other ones.
We did get confused. It doesn't take much to confuse us. You are going to have a receiver back here. It looks like it's going to be rated for 3,000 pounds. Again, if you tow, even though this is a shorter fifth wheel, just always be careful if you're going to tow behind it. Moving around here, you have a really nice storage area right here. At the back, it does have a plug-in and a light out here. I don't know if Keystone gave us a...
Nope.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I forget. Yeah, Keystone does not give us awning links.
Nope.
This one looks about like a 14?
16.
16. Okay, I was off on this one.
Thank you, Mr. Dennis. Shout out to him. Got the tape measure.
Yeah. Guys, like I said, he'll forget where they put it next week. Anyway, here is the other side of your pass-through, which is actually a really, really good size area in here. They do give you these carpeted access panels in here. And if you'd like to bring your TV outside, here is your satellite, cable hookup, and power. Oh, there's also USB and USB out here. And your other propane tank is going to be right there at the front.
No, this is still under 30 feet.
Yeah, it's under 30 feet. So, you know, it's going to fit in some of those smaller areas. But yet you still have the convenience of a fifth wheel.
All right, let's go ahead and get in here. And before we get started, if you like our content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.
All right, here's a first peek. And just as you come in the door, you're going to have drawers right off the bat. So how awesome is that?
That's pretty cool.
So you can either use that as part of your kitchen, or if you like to put your wallet or things like that, you've got somewhere to do it.
Wow.
So, yeah. Now, the lights are a little bit dim. So, I think everything's going to show up. But, hey, while he's standing there, hey, this gives you a haul tree. I mean, how cool is this? You've got storage up here, hooks for jackets or leashes, and there's actually a light on it, too. And then you have a little seat down there to sit and put your shoes on. You can stash your shoes underneath in your slide, and this is the only slide that you're going to have, so it's pretty deep. You've got your dinette here that will make into additional sleeping. Again, if it's a small adult, probably one, but you can get a couple of kids on here. Windows all the way around that will open for some air. On this side, you are going to, we're flickering. Oh, that was you.
That was me. I'm turned off to save the juice.
I thought we were losing batteries again. Okay, here you're going to have your theater seat. You've got some storage right in the middle along with some cup holders. And I love that they put all your little remotes down in there. This is going to have a parachute pull. And if you need to charge, you've got USB and just USB on this one. Okay. At the very back, you've got this really nice big window.
So, this is huge.
Yeah, that is awesome. It would be great at a lake, except that we're looking at a storage unit.
Some kind of storage, yeah.
But anyway, we can see what everybody else has. Okay, moving on. But that's not all you have back here at the back. So if you need a desk area, now they didn't give you an extra chair, so you're going to have to provide your own chair. But if you need to work on the road, you can do it because you've got this little desk area. And there's a plug-in right here. And then they give you USB and USB-C on this one. So if you need to plug in your laptop or something.
I love this big window.
Yeah, nice pleated shades here. Now, taking a seat here, you're going to be, your entertainment center is just a little bit at an angle, but it's actually a good viewing angle.
Let's see what
I'm
size.
going to say it's a 40.
Yeah.
I am so good. I'm just actually lucky. I don't know.
Yeah.
Right below that is a Furrion soundbar. We've mentioned it before. We have one just like it. Love it. It works great. And you're going to have an electric fireplace. But you see that this is at a little bit of an angle because you've got a huge pantry. Now, we showed you this storage down here from the outside.
Oh.
So.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, has a light switch. So, yeah, this is a great pantry area.
That's so cool.
It is just really super, super nice. Oh, and there is a plug-in down there. So if you wanted to add a mini fridge, you could access that from the outside.
Gosh, that is so cool.
Your heat vents are going to be in the floor in this particular unit. And moving right along, it's going to be your 12-volt compressor fridge with the freezer on the top. And we're going to turn that off to save some power.
Yeah, look at there. Came back on.
Yeah, lights are brighter now. Up above
We are running off of solar, so.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Ah, big area up here. Great storage space. Now this is a sport model, so it's going to be like a mid-pro. Nice area up above your microwave. Little microwave there. 3-burner cooktop with an oven. And then there's a cabinet below it.
Oh my.
Yeah. And
there's something.
It's
down
covering
here.
up a.
Yeah, it's
covering up your drain.
Yeah, it's your drain. They put that there to cover it.
Well, at least they did cover it up. They didn't just leave it there. Okay, 4 drawers over here. Your top one's full of all kinds of Keystone goodies.
4 drawers and several years ago. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, do you know what you call a cow with no legs?
What?
Ground beef.
Anyway, okay, up here you've got some storage above your sink. Yeah, I promise I did give him a snack, so I don't know what's wrong with him. More storage on that side.
That's nice storage right
Now,
there.
there's not solid surface countertops in here, but this is actually pretty good counter space. For those of you who want to know what the price is, there's your MSRP, but for the actual sale price, give A&L a call. They'll be more than happy to give you that price. Nice big single basin sink with a high-rise faucet and a nice little dish drainer that goes with it. Lots of sticky antifreeze. Lots of space underneath for a garbage can.
You could put a big one under there.
You could put a big one under there.
Or a slide.
Now guys, I'm just going to back up just for a second. I mean, this is all of this floor space that you have in here. So, I mean, we're under 30 feet.
Yeah.
And you've got just tons of floor space in this kitchen and living
And if
room
it's just
area.
the two of you, my gosh, this is
Great,
really
great
good.
couples camper. Before I forget to show you, there is your AC unit. Coming up the stairs, your controls are going to be here as you come up the stairs. You got a bathroom in here. And the shower is
30 by 36.
all right. And if you look, there's basically almost no step up getting into it.
Absolutely no.
Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so there's a skylight. So, really good headroom in here. They give you a small exhaust fan in here. Now, we don't have the lights on.
There we go.
There we go. Towel bar is already mounted in place. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And there is a heating vent right next to it to keep your keister nice and warm.
Easter.
Oh, goodness. Okay, this mirror opens the wrong way. So, mirrored medicine cabinet. Again, not solid surface in here, but this is a great area around your sink. Nice sink. Plenty of room under here for another little garbage can and 3 drawers. And wherever you want to put your tissue holder. You know, I bet you could put it right in there. Except that I would run into it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's move into the main bedroom. Right off the bat, you'll see that it does already have the second AC in here. This is going to be a queen size bed. It is north-south. It should be a 60 by 80. I'm pretty sure that's a standard queen. You've got storage underneath. Now, what I do love about these Cougars with the north-south bed are these awesome nightstands that they give you.
No.
No, I was wrong.
It is a 74.
It is a camp queen. I am so sorry, guys. But you do have room for a regular
she's got room.
queen. You know, you'll lose a little bit of floor space, but not a whole lot.
Yeah.
But you do have these awesome nightstands. They're open here at the bottom. You've got power, USB, and let me look. Yes, USB and USB, both sides. Then you've got this nice storage right up here and across the top. So you're going to have the storage on both sides.
Oh,
Now,
wow.
anytime you have a camper, whether it's a travel trailer or a fifth wheel, if they're not going to give you a wardrobe slide, they need to give you this.
This is awesome.
This
I love
is just
this.
awesome. You have 2 drawers, and then I'm going to let him show you this hanging closet. Just lots of room. And underneath your 2 drawers down there, you have space for shoes.
Yeah.
I love that. If you want to add a second TV in here, it's going to go right up here. Now, because this is a sport and it's a mid-pro, it's smaller, I do want to remind you that you are going to have a tiny little step right there. But it's not big. It's only about 3 inches high, maybe 4 at the most.
You give me a 60 by 80 bed,
Oh, yeah.
and this is perfect. I mean,
Yeah, we'll show you where it's going to come out to.
there's 80 right there.
Yeah, right there. So,
You come out to there, but you'll still have
yeah, I mean, you'll
this much to
still
walk
be
around.
able to get around it. Plus, you'll still have that space on the side.
The only thing, I'm going to show you this, the only thing I have question about if you do that, you're going to go past it just a little.
Well,
You can go right
you'll
there.
still be able to get the top drawer all the way
Yeah.
open though.
I just wanted to show that. So if you like that content right there, give us that thumbs up.
Absolutely. All right.
Okay, I'm really impressed.
Yes, and the nice light cabinets in here makes it bright.
All right, everybody. If you like this little Cougar Sport, the dealership's information be down in our description. Like I said, get a hold of A&L right here in Jackson, Tennessee. If you're coming through the area, just stop and tell them J&A sent you. If you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along with us. Give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.